Hi everyone, Jason here from JW Physical Health. Today we're talking about injury prevention and golf. So when I get golfers coming in, the most common golf injury is lower back pain. When I'm screening golfers with lower back pain, typically what we see is that they're generally a bit stiff through this upper section of their back and a little bit stiff through their hips. Okay, so I'm going to take you through a series of exercises which is going to help you get a bit more mobile, prevent those lower back injuries when it comes to swinging the golf club. All right, Jack, what we're going to do, it's called a turn, tip, and breathe. So I want your knees together. I want you up nice and tall, hands across your chest, and you're going to turn as far as you can go to one side, okay? Generally, I like to get a reference point for how far you've turned. I want you to remember that. You're going to tip, and you're going to breathe. Big, deep breath in, fill your lungs up, and then all the way up. Good, come back up without rotating any further. I want you to turn a little bit further now. Tip again. Big deep breath in all the time. Fill your lungs up. Good. Tip back up. Turn one more time. Keep those knees together. And tip. And breathe. Big deep breath in and out. Good. Coming back up and rotate back to the middle. I always like to do a retest. Let's turn. See how far you've gone now. Well past that point, hey? Good. So, to open up through the hips, we're going to do this sequence of 3 exercises, okay? The first 2 are stretches, so I want you to hold these for about 30 to 40 seconds each time. And the last one is a moving stretch, okay? First one's going to be a hip flexor stretch. So in this half kneeling position, I'm going to get Jack to tuck in underneath. The cue would be if you're wearing a belt, I want the belt buckle pointing up to your chin, okay? You should feel that through the front there. If you want to add a bit of extra, have hands up in the air, palms flat, pushing the hands up actively. Okay, breathe through it 30 to 40 seconds. Let's go into the second one. So the second one was this knee down, that leg out to the side. I like to draw a line from the foot so that it hits the knee. Okay, I want hands pushing out in front this time. Okay, this time what you're going to do is you're going to push the knee out actively to open up through the groin. You're going to try to imagine the hip distracting a little bit. You're going to push the knee out this way and you're going to tuck the hip in underneath. And you should feel that a lot in this groin at the front, okay? The last one is more of an active one. Let's go down into hands and knees and the leg's going to be out to the side. Okay, this foot flat, leg straight, toe in line with knee, okay? What Jack's going to do is sit back onto your heels. You're going to feel a stretch through this side here. Come back up. The same hand reaches through the gap and then reaches up to the sky. Good, and we'll repeat. So this one's moving. Come back down, hand back where it was, sit back onto your heels, come back up, hand through, hand up. The stretch is about 30 to 40 seconds on each side, okay? And this one here about 5 to 6 repetitions through on each side, okay?